Hey there, snack enthusiasts. Who doesn't love a good snack, right? Today, we're diving into the world of homemade potato chips. Get ready for a fun and rewarding snacking experience. Welcome to our potato chip extravaganza. There's something special about making your own snacks from scratch, especially when it comes to these crispy, flavorful treats. Presentation of problem or challenge. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: store-bought potato chips. Sure, they're convenient, but have you ever thought about the preservatives and limited flavor options? It's time to take matters into our own hands. Exploration development. To kick things off, let's talk ingredients. All you need are some fresh potatoes, oil for frying, and your favorite seasonings. Don't forget about the slicing technique. Whether you prefer thin and crispy or thick and hearty, the choice is yours. And speaking of flavor, the sky's the limit. From classic salt and vinegar to spicy jalapeno, you can customize your chips however you like. Climax key moment now. Here comes the exciting part: frying those potato slices to perfection. Watch as they sizzle and transform into golden brown, crunchy delights. It's truly a magical journey from raw spuds to mouth-watering chips. Conclusion summary. In a nutshell, making potato chips at home is a breeze. Just slice, fry, season, and enjoy. Homemade snacks not only taste better, but also give you full control over what goes into your food. So why not give it a try and savor the satisfaction of creating your own crispy creations? Call to action: CTA ready to show off your culinary skills? Share your favorite potato chip recipes in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out our other snack-related videos for more delicious ideas. Happy snacking!